Last year, Itel got the whole tech community talking after the release of their S25 Ultra, and this year they decided to make a comeback with the S26 Ultra, which is currently selling for around 226,000 Nigerian naira. But is the Itel S26 an upgrade or is it a flop? Let's talk about it. Now, one thing I'll give to Itel is the fact that their accessories are always complete. You get the phone, the screen protector, an 18 watts charging brick and cable, a case that looks like a magnetic case but not really, because the Itel S26 does not support wireless charging. The design is not very different from last year, it's just some tiny tweaks. It has a plastic build which is protected by the IP65 for water and dust resistance. It also comes with a mono speaker, which isn't the best option here, and a hybrid SIM tray and on-screen fingerprint sensor for unlocking this device. It features a curved display with 1080p resolution, 144Hz of refresh rate. The display is vibrant but not as good as expected because other competitors within this price range offer even smoother display. Now, this phone supports the Unisoc T7300, which isn't great for gaming or heavy tasks but runs well on basic tasks like scrolling social media, texting, and watching videos. Now, you can get the S26 in different variations like the 8GB RAM and 128 or 256GB memory storage with no option for expansion. So once your memory fills up, you have to resort to deleting your files and applications. Now, the Itel S26 Ultra is powered by a 6000 mAh battery capacity that can last you up to 2 days as an average user and comes with 18 watts of charging. We get a single 50 megapixel main camera and 32 megapixel selfie camera here, and the qualities of the results from these cameras are not the best or average out there. Personally, I won't say I'm particularly impressed with what Itel has done with the S26 Ultra, especially with the no option for storage expansion and the slow charging speed. I know they've given us a 6000 mAh battery capacity, which is quite huge, but 18 watts is just too small or just too slow to power a 6000 mAh. Given that the direct competitor like the Spark 40 Pro from Tecno gives us up to 45 watts of charging and still sells cheaper than the Itel S26 while filling out other gaps that Itel seems to be missing. Overall, this isn't a bad device for people on budget, but if you're still in the market, you can also explore other options. So, is the Itel S26 Ultra a yes or no for you? Do leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to support our channel, and until the next one, bye for now.